Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a name in email ActiveCampaign. Personalizing your emails with recipient names is one of the most effective ways to increase engagement and make your messages feel more direct and relevant to each subscriber. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple workspaces, as this will ensure you're editing the right campaigns. After logging in, you'll land on your ActiveCampaign dashboard. On the left side menu, locate and click on Email. This will open up your Email Campaigns section where you can see all your existing campaigns. From here, select the specific campaign that you want to edit. This could be a newsletter, promotional email, or any ongoing campaign where you'd like to add personalization. Once you've selected your campaign, you'll see a preview of how your email currently looks. To make changes, click on Edit Design. This action will open up the email editor, giving you full access to modify the layout, content, and design elements of your email. Now, in the email editor, you'll want to add or modify a text block where the personalized name will appear. Drag a text block from the left panel into your email template, placing it wherever you want the recipient's name to show up. This could be in the greeting, subject line area, or anywhere else that makes sense for your message. Click on the text block you just added to activate it for editing. You'll notice that the text block might have some placeholder text in it. Go ahead and erase that text to clear the space for your personalization tag. This step ensures you're starting with a clean slate and the name will appear exactly where you want it without any unnecessary content around it. Next, look toward the top of the editor and click on Personalization Tags. This is where ActiveCampaign really shines, offering you multiple options for personalizing your emails. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you different formats for adding names. You can choose to add the recipient's full name, first name only, or last name only, depending on how formal or casual you want your email to be. Just click on the option you prefer, and the personalization tag will be inserted into your text block. And that's it. You've successfully added a name personalization tag to your ActiveCampaign email. This simple addition can significantly boost your open rates and overall engagement by making each recipient feel like the email was crafted specifically for them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.